Hello everyone, welcome to the channel With the Way. Today we are going to talk about a new food, we can say as a new fruit, which is very rare in India but found plenty in Southeast Asia, basically in Philippines and New Guinea Island. Originated in Philippines and Maluku Island in New Guinea. And this looks very similar to one of our Indian fruit, which is jackfruit. And try to guess it if you can, or else within few seconds we are going to show you. Also don't forget to subscribe our channel to get the latest updates on our interesting latest videos. So let's go and check it out. Yes, we are talking about breadfruit. It is also called as wild jackfruit, as the similarity is there between the jackfruit and this breadfruit. In India it can be found in Western Ghat region, though it is very rare. So this is the tree and the fruits are hanging. You can see some basic difference between the jackfruit tree and the breadfruit tree. We found it in Goa and then we started our basic study on it. It was new to us. So we will share some basic details of the fruit along with two tasty food preparation with it. Hope you will enjoy it. So the brief background. As I told, it was basically originated in Philippines and New Guinea Island. Basically the Maluku Island in New Guinea you can see. But in nowadays it can be found in the tropical region. So this is the fruit, the cross section, how it looks in the inside. This is the scientific classification. You can find this in Wikipedia. This is the details of nutritional value. We can see good amount of vitamin C is also there, so you can boost your immunity too. Good amount of potassium, magnesium, phosphorus also available. So let's see the recipe. you liked the video. Also post your queries in the comment section. We will get back soon. Also don't forget to subscribe the channel to get the latest updates of new videos.